Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Joby May. I hope you guys enjoy this video today. This video is the day when it snowed here. Hello guys, good morning. Today is 9th January 2021 and you know what guys? I am editing a video. Yes. And yes guys, today when I woke up this early morning, my husband asked me if I can check the window, and then because we were waiting for the snow to come, and then yes, we have the snow and it's still snowing, but the thing is very slight. Yes, but our garden and the fields are so white. And I will show you. I am using my phone vlogging because my camera is in the living room. So we'll show you guys. Ah, yes! Yes, 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 yes. Yes. It is so beautiful guys, it is so white. Yes, and yeah, we wanted to go to the mountain because we want to play in the snow, especially the kids, especially Lakota. Yes, and yeah, the snow is here and it's still snowing, but a little bit. Yes,
but
everyone.
Is it snowing?
But it's snowing, so we cannot go out because the road is slippery, and because in our place and many places here in Spain, especially in our place, because it's rarely snowed here. That is why guys, we are not prepared. I think the last time that it snowed here was 2 years ago. I was pregnant with Lakota. Yes. That was 2 years ago. And you know what? I haven't removed all my Christmas decors here in our bedroom yet. That is why you can see the Christmas decoration still. Supposedly we are going to the farmhouse, but obviously we can't go because the road is slippery.
I can walk.
And yes, Haley, what are you doing?
I want to see.
But you are seeing already. What do you want to see more?
Yeah.
Guys, Haley is so excited and she wants to wake up her sister. But I told her no because she's still sleeping. Let's go and see Lakota. She's still sleeping, guys. We cannot see her. We cannot see her. We cannot see her. So Lakota is sleeping soundly, deeply, so better to let her sleep, and once she wake up later, she will see the snow. Hello guys, so I'm going to wake up my daughter because it's raining. Maybe the snow will be gone very soon, so I go and wake up Lakota. Baby. 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 Darling. She's not waking up. Darling. Cookie, good morning. Good morning, darling. She's sleeping, guys, so deeply. She doesn't like to get up. She doesn't like to wake up. Lakota, snow, darling. Snow, baby. Snow. Let's go and see snow. Come. This is snow. Yes, come. Let's go. Hailey's playing. Hailey's playing in the snow with Daddy. Let's go and see the snow. Yes? Yes? Yes, let's go and see the snow. Yes. Say good morning. Hi, good morning. Say good morning.
Morning.
Come, let's go. Oh, she's sleeping so deeply. Yes, come, let's go. Let's go see. Hi, Lakota. Lakota is still yawning. Hi. It's our first time to go play in the snow.
See?
Yes, go to Daddy, darling. Go. La Hailey està molt mullada, no, la Hailey?
Sí, perquè hem tret la neu dels arbres perquè no es trenqui. I s'ha posat a sota. Un tros de l'olivera, fixa't.
Tírale al papá.
Sí.
Tírale al papá. Tírale al papá.
Ah,
Mira, mira papi, tírale a Feli. El papá m'ha fotut una culada.
And Russell wants to come and play also.
Kota, mira. La Kota, mira com li foto. Com li faig.
Hailey, tens que ficar barret, no, xata?
tira, tira, tira. Ah. Així.
Kota. Kota.
They are falling, guys, from the tree.
Mira que agarran. Kota, son. Ah. Sini. Mira. Ah. Aquí está muy bonito.
Is that picture, Daddy? Is it a picture? Is it a picture?
Mama.
Yes, darling, you can touch it.
Hailey!
Mama, anem aquí al darrere. Està molt bonic.
Did you eat breakfast?
I sortia a fora, sí. I la cosa menjat, no menjat.
No, she just woke up.
It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Yeah.
Hi! Uy! You want your mommy, huh? Oh! Ma? Look at that! Look at that! Oh! Cookie! Look at mommy here! Cookie! Uy!
Mama, anem aquí al solar.
See,
La olivera està decaient. Allà està decaient.
look at the barbecue. And the olive tree. Olive tree. Lakota! Wow! Darling, throw it!
Mama,
Hmm.
look. Mama,
Look at the olive tree, everyone. So pretty. So nice.
tingnan ko si Kylie.
Hi! Oops. It's okay, don't worry, Hailey. Hug Olaf. Hug Olaf, the snowman. Our neighbors and the kids, they build this snowman here.